Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Thermaltake View 380TG ARGB case. This mid-tower chassis is designed for builders who want to showcase their components with a blend of aesthetics and functionality. Right out of the box, the View 380 makes a statement with its dual tempered glass panels, one at the front and another on the side. This provides a panoramic view of the internal components, allowing you to display your high-end hardware and intricate builds. The black finish gives it a sleek, modern look that should fit well in any setup. One of the standout features is the inclusion of 4 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans. These fans not only provide ample cooling, but also add a vibrant splash of color to the build. The ARGB lighting can be synchronized with compatible motherboards, allowing for customized lighting effects and color schemes. This makes it easy to create a visually stunning PC that reflects your personal style. The View 380 also supports hidden connector motherboards, which is a huge plus for cable management. By routing cables behind the motherboard tray, it helps to achieve a cleaner and more organized interior. This not only improves airflow, but also enhances the overall look of the build. In terms of compatibility, the View 380 supports ATX motherboards, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of builds. The mid-tower form factor strikes a good balance between size and expandability, offering enough room for high-end components without taking up too much desk space. The case is constructed from alloy steel, ensuring durability and sturdiness. This is important for protecting your valuable components and ensuring the longevity of your build. Thermaltake also backs the View 380 with a 3-year warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance of quality. Overall, the Thermaltake View 380TG ARGB is a well-designed case that offers a great combination of aesthetics, functionality, and compatibility. The dual tempered glass panels, ARGB fans, and support for hidden connector motherboards make it an excellent choice for builders who want to create a visually stunning and high-performing PC. If you're looking for a case that will showcase your components and provide ample cooling, the View 380 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.